Bus in Ukraine. rvlog 1552, I think. Almost a year now. Dobro ranku. This is the second time I record this because the rain destroyed one of my microphones. It was yeah, you cannot really hear it. So here we go on the phone now. Everything is good. We got attacked last night. We got attacked yesterday, but we're still here. Didn't read about any victims. It's a little scary that they hit our train station 2 days ago. Oh, but what can you do? Oh, maar er is een Lana. Ai, ai, ai. Hey, John Lana. Super wet here. Normally the city is very dry, but not now. It's about 3 degrees. I think we'll have a couple of days of frost again. As you can see, that's gonna be dramatic. There's a wet dog, Lanusha. No eating stuff, eh? Oi. Super wet. It was a very interesting documentary about bus drivers in Kherson. They get attacked by FPVs all the time, but they still do their job. It's amazing. And they drive with their doors open, so they Lana, so they don't get hit out, and the passengers can jump out too. Yeah, it's a whole different situation in Kherson. It's amazing that people still dare to live there, to be honest. But probably people will say that about where I live too. So yeah, after a while you get used to it. Just the sound of shaheds trigger me more than PPO. PPO is the air defense, but shaheds, that sound, that's a cool car. The shahed sound really triggers me. Well, that's me. Have a nice Sunday. Enjoy. And Slava Ukraini, fuck Russia, etc.